Potter's integrated voice systems are built for large-scale applications where fire and voice live on the same platform. But not every project needs that level of complexity. Sometimes you just need voice. The EVAX 5070, EVAX 170, and the EVAX X70 are conventional voice panels designed for standalone voice evacuation. They're ideal for churches, restaurants, daycares, schools, and retrofits where you're replacing an aging voice system without touching the fire alarm panel. All three can be monitored and activated by any UL-listed panel, so they work with whatever system's already in place. The EVAX 5070 is a 50-watt system with 4 speaker circuits for smaller applications. The EVAX 170 steps up to 100 watts in 8 circuits. And the EVAX X70 adds support for distributed amplifiers, firefighter telephone, and expanded inputs, giving you room to grow. All three are programmed through the same voice software you're already familiar with and bring features like text-to-speech that were previously only available in our addressable voice platform.